Welcome. Today, we're walking through an easy, updated method for renaming a folder on Dropbox using the mobile app. Whether you want to tidy up your files or just give your folders clearer names, this quick guide will have you organized in no time. First, start by opening your Dropbox app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap the Files option. This takes you to a list of all your documents, folders, and contents stored in Dropbox. Next, find the folder you want to rename. When you spot it, look to the right side of that folder's name and tap the 3 vertical dots. This button opens a menu packed with different actions you can take for that folder. From the menu, select Rename. This will bring up a text box where you can type in the new name for your folder. Take a moment here to type exactly what you want your folder to be called, something clear and easy to remember. After typing the new name, simply tap the Rename button again to save your changes. Just like that, your folder has a fresh new name, making it easier to find or categorize your files, and that's all there is to it. Renaming a folder in Dropbox is simple and quick with this updated process. No complicated steps or extra tools needed. Just a few taps, and your folders are ready to go. Remember, keeping your files organized with clear folder names helps you work more efficiently and find what you need faster. So, don't hesitate to rename your folders whenever you feel like it. Thanks for watching.